Morning guys, this is going to be a very quick one just on my phone. We're gritting. It's Friday I think it's 1st of February today. We've had a light dusting of snow here on the estate and she's let us down. Little old Ford, it needs a fuel filter at the minute. She's just conked out on me. I mean, it's not like it lets you know or anything. Well, it spluttered and coughed this morning when it started, and it spluttered and coughed a little bit, and I thought I might just get it done, might just get gritted up, but no, it's not to be. So I'm just waiting for a man with a chain to come and drag us back. We've started gritting with this little tractor. We've got the wires put on it. It's a lot smaller than 6610 and a lot easier in car parks, but nah, it's normally a good bus, but the only time it ever breaks down is when it needs a fuel filter. Must have some muck in it or something. But yeah, it'd be nice if it wasn't so bloody cold. Anyway, that looks like my chains here, so I shall get going and we'll see how it goes today. It's only second time we've been out. We were out Wednesday with the ice, and then this morning just with this snow. Alright then. Right, I'll catch you later.